there is a very big crack that is made due to the force within the Earth's crust. So that very big crack, which is formed within the Earth's crust, this is where magma travels through, and it ends up erupting on the what? On the volcano. When it erupts, magma comes from the Earth's crust and it is spread on the surface of the Earth, and we no longer call it magma, but we call it lava. But we call it lava. This lava, when it is very hot, it flows. Eventually, it does not continue flowing, but it stops and cools down. When it cools down, it forms some layers which are flat. Are we together?
Yeah.
I told you that in Hawaii, it's an example where we have got what we call volcanic plateau. Can you say volcanic plateau?
Volcanic plateau.
Volcanic plateau.
Volcanic plateau.
A volcanic plateau is made by the layers or the flat layers of lava. Listen to this. When this lava is formed, it makes what we call a rock. And we said this type of rock is called, by show of hands, the type of rock which is formed when lava cools down on the surface of the earth. Come on. Excuse me, by show of hands. A type of rock that is formed when lava cools down on the surface of the earth is called what? Owen? I'm saying, which type of rock is formed when lava cools down on the surface of the earth? It is called what? It is called extrusive igneous rock. Extrusive igneous rock. However, we said that this magma does not all come out of the earth's crust. There is a magma which remains within the earth's crust. Actually, it remains in the vent pipe. Can you say vent pipe?
Vent pipe.
Vent pipe.
Vent pipe.
Vent pipe.
Vent pipe.
So the magma that remains in the vent pipe, it means it remains within the earth's crust. It also cools down slowly. Can you say cooling slowly?
Cooling slowly.
Cooling slowly.
Cooling slowly.
So when it cools down slowly, it forms another type of rock. Which type of rock is that? By show of hands. It is another type of igneous rock. Which type of rock is that? Come on, only one person. It is the opposite of extrusive. So if you know the opposite of extrusive, you know that type of igneous rock. It is called Lavi?
Intrusive igneous rock.
It is called intrusive igneous rock. Can you repeat after me?
Intrusive igneous rock.
Intrusive igneous rock.
Intrusive igneous rock.
Are you ready for the paper machine volcano?
Yes.
Are you ready for the paper machine volcano?
Yes.
So for last when we are making this paper machine volcano, we are going to get our vinegar, right?
Yes.
When we get our vinegar, I remember teaching this lesson about chemical reaction. But now we are going to use vinegar to make a paper machine volcano. What should we do? We pour some vinegar in a jar. Okay? We pour vinegar where? In a jar. We pour vinegar where? In a jar. Then after pouring vinegar in a jar, we mix this vinegar with a powder. Are we together? Yeah. Because remember, lava is red. That's why we are adding there what? A red what? Powder. I'm saying lava is red. But when it is red when it is magma. When it is on the surface of the earth, it changes and it becomes black. So here we are going to add in what we call a powder. We add in what?
A powder.
Or we add in food color. Can you say food color?
Food color.
This food color is made of powder. So it is going to change the color of the vinegar. Remember that, listen to me. Remember that this kind of rock, or the igneous rock, it has got crystals. Can you say crystals?
Crystals.
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 Crystals, you can see them shining using your eyes or using your naked eyes. Are we together? Has our vinegar changed the color?
Yes.
Has it changed the color?
Yeah.
Can I add more vinegar there?
Yes.
Okay. Now, listen to me. For us to have magma which is sticky, we are going to add there liquid soap. Can you say liquid soap?
Liquid soap.
I can't hear you.
Liquid soap.
Remember, we are making a paper machine.
Volcano.
Paper machine.
Volcano.
Paper machine.
Volcano.
We add our liquid soap within the what? Within the vinegar. Within the what? The vinegar. It now changes what? Color. It now changes what?
Color.
It now changes what?
Color.
Now what should we do? We are going to add our bicarbonate of soda. Remember, inside this paper machine volcano, there is a bottle, right?
Yeah.
There is a bottle there, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we are going to get our bicarbonate of soda and we add it in this bottle. Just to make it clear, because you can also make it at your home, right?
Yeah.
Be observant. Observant. What I'm doing, if you get time, you can also do it from home. So I'm trying to add vinegar in the bottle within the paper machine volcano. I'm saying I'm adding vinegar, or am I adding vinegar or bicarbonate of soda?
Bicarbonate.
Then why don't you tell me? This is bicarbonate of soda that I'm adding in the bottle within our paper machine volcano. Bicarbonate of soda. Bicarbonate of soda. Bicarbonate of soda. I add more bicarbonate of soda. Can I add more? Yeah, I can add more. More bicarbonate of soda. More bicarbonate of soda. So we are trying to see how volcanoes happen, or we are trying to look on the formation of volcanoes. I can still add more vinegar here. Now listen, we are going to add our mixture. This is a mixture of vinegar, liquid soap, and food color. It is a mixture of vinegar, liquid soap, and food color. Can I add more food color? Let me add more food color, yes? She's asking, why am I not adding directly the bicarbonate of soda within this vinegar? No, the bicarbonate of soda should be inside the what? The bottle within the paper machine volcano. Such that by the time we add in the vinegar, we see how it is going to erupt. Can we do it? Let me see whether it is going to happen. Be observant. Be observant. We are trying to make a paper machine volcano. Can you say paper machine volcano?
Paper machine volcano.
Paper machine volcano.
Paper machine volcano.
Let's see what is going to happen.
Why is nothing happening?
So here what we do, we try to shake our what? Our paper machine volcano. Come on. We try to shake it. Come on. Excuse me.
Doesn't have enough oxygen.
Try to shake our paper machine volcano. Excuse me. Shake our paper machine volcano for it to erupt. Wait a bit. So it is going to react when. So can you see what is going to happen? Can you say go go volcano? Go go volcano. So what is happening here? So when you say it, this is how it erupts. If you add in more, you see how it is erupting. Can you say go go volcano? So when it erupts, it comes on different sides as lava. Are you seeing how it is coming out?
Yeah.
Are you seeing the reaction?
Yes.
So when I continue shaking this, it will still react. And now you can see that magma is kind of red. Magma is kind of red. So it moves. This is how it erupts. When it is erupting, it goes on the side of the what? Of the volcano. Now it will make some flat layers here. When it makes some flat layers here, we shall call them volcanic plateau. Can you say volcanic plateau?
Volcanic plateau.
Are you seeing how it is erupting?
Yes.
Come on, are you seeing the way it is erupting?
Yes.
Can you say go go volcano?
Go go volcano.
Go go volcano.
Go go volcano.
So this is how volcanic eruption happens. This is how volcanic eruption happens. Come on, can I add more? If I add more still, it will react. It will erupt. So this is how it happens. This is how it happens. So here, now, are you seeing this part? So this part widens, and when it widens, it makes what we call a crater. So if I continue shaking it still, it will continue doing what? Reacting or erupting. Can you say eruption? Eruption. 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 Have you seen how volcanic eruption happens? This is how volcanic eruption is formed. Do you mind when we go to class?